Hello and welcome to the HW Group SensDesk video tutorial part 3. My name is Christopher and I'll be guiding you through sublocations. Today I will show you how you can create sublocations. So, to create a sublocation, you first must have created a location. And of course, to work with sensors, you must have assigned a device to that location. So, can you imagine a situation where you have a device on the first floor and a sensor on the second floor, and you need to distinguish between them? Well, in this situation, this could be very useful. So, let's get started. Click on Locations, and here we can see our locations. We'll need to choose which location we will create the sublocation for. If we click on Sublocations now, there will be 4 sensors in Not Assigned, and if we click on Manage Devices, we will have View, where we can see all our devices, Edit, where we can edit our location, and we have Sublocations. Click on the Sublocations, and we will come to this screen. Here we have the button to create the new sublocation. So click here. First is the name of the sublocation. We're going to use the name First Floor Server Room. Team is already set automatically, so we don't need to change that. And here we can write some notes in the description. If you want, you can add the address of your devices here. We're going to use the address for HW Group. And in Prague. Okay, so what we're going to do now is add the sensor to our sublocation here and one of the inputs. Here we have all of our sensors which don't have any sublocation assigned to them. So we will choose one sensor and one input. Now we have 2 selected items. At the moment, we have one sensor in our sublocation and we have one input. We can now save and they will be assigned to our new sublocation. If we go through this process again, then the remaining sensor and input would not include the 2 we just assigned. And in this case, just one sensor and one input would show. Okay, so click Save. And now we can see the sensor and input which we just chose. For example, the First Floor Server Room 1 input could be a door contact for the server room. And the sensor could be a temperature monitor. Okay, so click on Locations button here at the top. And if we click on the sublocations again, we now have 2 sensors in the Not Assigned sensor section, and we can see 2 sensors in the sublocation for the First Floor Server Room. Okay, now if for any reason we want to delete the sublocation, we click on the Manage Devices, Sublocation, click on the name of the sublocation, then Delete and Confirm. And that's it for sublocations. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.